What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to speed up a slow motion video here on your iPhone device. For example, you've accidentally or you've on purpose actually recorded a slow motion video and you simply want to speed it up and make it much faster. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to do it, how to change it from slow-mo all the way to a much faster video here. Without any further delay, let's jump straight into today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video, I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can actually speed up slow-mo videos. The very first way in here is, for example, if you have recorded the video in slow-mo here within your iPhone device. For example, let me quickly open up photos in here, and as you can see, I do have this slow-mo video in here that I've actually recorded with my iPhone device. So if you have recorded with your iPhone device, for example, if I hop into camera in here and I hop into video, I do have an option in here if I slide to the left which says slow-mo. So if I record with this specific setting in here, it allows me to edit it further with the first method. But if I've not recorded the video with this feature in here, or for example, if I've just downloaded a random video from the internet which is in slow-mo, I'll also show you how to make it faster so it actually plays normally, but we're gonna need another tweak which I will explain in the second method in today's video. Now, starting with the very first method in here, let me hop into photos real quick. For example, I've got this video in here. As I've said, I've recorded it with my phone right now. All I need to do is simply pause it, of course, and then I need to tap on these three lines in here to open up settings to customize or edit this video further. Now, once you open up these settings in here, as you can see, I do have a slider below the normal trim video section in here. So down here, I'm just going to actually disable this by sliding it max to the right, okay? Because this pretty much says which portion of the video you wish to make it slow-mo. So I'm gonna simply close this. For example, if I keep it open, let's say that I keep it open like this, what will happen is the video will start fast and then it will become in slow-mo. This is how it goes. Fast, suddenly slow-mo. Right? So what I'm gonna do here is I'll just simply close this little space in here so it starts fast and it keeps on playing normally the entire video. Here we go. But please note that this will only work if you have recorded the video in slow-mo directly from your iPhone device. For example, I'm gonna open up a different video, which is this one right here. This is a video of my friend recording a video to YouTube, and this wasn't recorded in slow-mo. Or if you've downloaded it from the internet, it will also not allow you to see the slow-mo slider. As you can see, we do not have any slow-mo slider in here because this is not officially a slow-mo video. So I'm going to show you a second way of how you can actually make this video, for example, become a slow-mo video, right? I'm going to show it to you in today's video. So here we go. It's a normal video. Now, you already know how to do it with the very first method, and now let's jump straight into the very second method, okay? So in the second method, for example, you've made a screen record, you've hopped into Instagram, or you've downloaded a random video from the internet. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's quickly hop, for example, into settings real quick in here. Here I am on my IG account, okay? And then I'll simply, for example, hop into the search in here, okay? We've got this video right here. Let me quickly do a screen record of that specific video. There we go. Start the recording, okay? Let's say that I've recorded this video, for example. There we go. It's a video right there. And then I'm gonna simply stop recording it, right? Let's pretend that it's in slow-mo, right? Okay, I'm gonna open up that specific video. As you already know, it won't allow me, if I tap here to edit the video, to have the slider to make it slower, right? Okay, got it. We do not have that option. So I'm going to show you how we can do that from an app known as iMovie. So you need to hop into App Store real quick, and then you need to search for an app which is known as iMovie, right? This is how the application looks like. It's an app that allows us to edit various files. Here we go. This is how the app looks like, and also it's a cool app that you can use to edit another tweaks on your video in a much professional way. Simply tap on open or tap on download if you haven't downloaded it yet. Tap on movie to create a brand new project in here. here. And next up, you want to simply add that specific media or video to the project. Okay, I'll tap on video real quick, and then I'm gonna tap on recently added, and this is the video that I want to add by simply tapping here to check that video. Okay, it's now checked, selected in other words. Next up, I'll tap on create movie. Now, this video has been brought here to my iMovie project or library, right? So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play it once so you can see the video. Let's pretend that the video is in fact in slow-mo, right? If it's in slow-mo, all we need to do is simply speed it up to actually bring it back to the normal speed or to make it much faster. Now, how are we going to do that? We just need to tap once on that specific video. Next up, you do have this option here at the inferior left corner where you can make your video much slower if you slide it to the right, or you can make it much faster if you slide it to the right. For example, I'll keep it here in the middle. Okay, you want to test it out to see the most accurate and most preferable speed that you want it to be. Simply slide it a bit, tap on play, and see how the video looks like. For example, now it looks fast. If the video was really slow, it would be coming to the normal speed. If this is not what you actually want, if you want it to be much faster, simply slide it more to the right to make it much faster, tap on play, and this is how the video will look like. So all you need to do is simply make the inverse of it. You want to increase the speed based on how slower that specific video is. So once you're done and satisfied with the speedio of that specific video, all you want to do is simply tap on done real quick. Next up, you want to simply tap here on this share or save video to export. Tap on save or share. Next up, you want to simply tap on save video to save this video to your photo library. The video will be saved in just a couple of seconds or minutes depending on the size and length of your video. Okay, so I've just exported the video to my photo library. I'm going to tap on photos real quick, and as you can see, I do have the video right here, which has been speed up, and consequently it will become much faster, making the slow-mo video looking normal or much faster than it was before. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can actually speed up slow-mo videos or simply speed up videos that have been recorded. Normally you want to make them faster or slower. This is how you can actually edit it and do it in your iPhone device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech-related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.